As the UK's leading rural insurer, we're all too aware of the devastation caused by farm fires, particularly those caused at the busy parts of the year such as harvest. Today we're carrying out a demonstration with Fireward, who've installed their P-Mark fire suppression system on this combine behind us. When an engine bay catches fire, it needs to be rapidly detected, effectively contained and quickly extinguished without the risk to the farmer. Dual agent systems have two cylinders, one with powder and the other with foam. The powder acts by interrupting the chemical reaction taking place and cutting off the oxygen supply. The foam suppressing agent in the second cylinder rapidly cools the super hot surfaces found in larger engine bays, typically where you'll find the turbochargers and filters. As you can see, fires can be significantly reduced and even prevented through systems such as this. To find out more about discounts available for suppression systems fitted to your combine, please speak to your local NFU Mutual agent.